investigation of companies, its need and procedure. Good morning. I am Dr. Ritu Gupta, Faculty, National Law University, Delhi. This module focuses on the importance of investigations relating to the affairs of the company and the applicable procedure. The new Companies Act, that is Companies Act 2013, provides for inspection, inquiry and investigation of companies, which is provided in Chapter 14 from sections 206 to 229. And these sections 206 to 209 empower the registrar to call for information, inspect the books and conduct inquiries. Such powers may be exercised if any scrutiny of any document filed by a company or any other information he feels that any other explanation or information is required. Section 210, that is section 210, provides that the central government may have and may conduct investigation into the affairs of the company, and sections 211 to 216 provide for the establishment of a SFIO, that is Serious Fraud Investigation Officer, and investigation by inspector when appointed. The procedure of such investigations has been stated under section 217, and the further sections in this particular chapter, they provide for related steps for investigation and penalty for furnishing false statement, mutilation and destruction of documents by the erring companies. The companies, they are committing any type of fraud. The objectives. The objectives of this module is to provide preliminary knowledge about the investigation of the companies to the students. Further, the objectives are to apprise the students of the need and importance of the investigation of the companies and to make students understand the procedure of investigation as prescribed under the Companies Acts. In the last few decades, there have been a radical shift in the perception towards the business generally and incorporated enterprises specifically. If we talk about a case in National Textile Workers Union, the Supreme Court of India observed that the company is now no longer a mere profit-making enterprise, but it has assumed the role of a social institution to discharge its social responsibilities for accomplishing the socio-economic objectives of a welfare state as enshrined in Part 4 of the Constitution of India, that provides for the directive principles of the state policy. Further, to keep an effective control and check over the functioning of the companies, the Companies Act 2013 provides for administrative machinery as well as the procedure for inspection, inquiry and investigation of the companies. This act imposes a duty upon the directors and officers of any company to produce books and papers and provide information demanded by the registrar. Disobedience on the part of the directors make them liable for imprisonment as well as fine. The registrar or the inspector may order for search and seizure of books and papers if they have some ground to believe. So those grounds should be reasonable. The central government is authorized to issue orders for such investigations. The Act provides for establishment of SFIO, as I told in the overview, to investigate this type of frauds.